Hi, hello friends. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to choose your specialty after MBBS. Many students will be having this doubt once they finish their MBBS regarding which branch to join. In this video, I'll give you a brief idea how to go about that. First, I would like to suggest take that branch in which you have got interest. For example, if you are interested in orthopedics, just join orthopedics. Or if you are interested in CTVS, go and join in CTVS. That's it. Or if you are in dilemma, just take a white paper, see whether you are going to join clinical or non-clinical, because there are some advantages in clinical, there are some advantages in non-clinical. Like non-clinical is more or less like a 9 to 5 job. You will get a decent salary. You will not have any work, not much work tensions. You will not meet patients, so no need of any patient counseling or all the issues related with dealing with patients. Whereas many of us wants to join clinical branch. If you are in the clinical branch, it can be either surgical or non-surgical branches. So definitely there will be some amount of stress when you are dealing with patients. So if you are interested in surgical, go about it. And there are few important points to consider, like where do you want to settle. Like if you want to settle in metros, you definitely need to do a super specialty to keep yourself in a comfortable position. If you want to settle in towns, specialty branches are enough, like orthopedics, gynec, general medicine, general surgery, pulmo, radiology, anesthesia, pediatrics, opthal and ENT. But if you want to settle in metros like Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, then definitely you need a super specialized branch to keep yourself in a better position, like either cardiac, neuro, urology, gastro, endo, whatever. So place of settlement is also important. For example, if you have got own practice, like your parents are already doctors, I think better choose that same branch so that you will be having bit advantage when compared to others, because you can take little bit of your parents, like either mom's or father's practice. So basically it depends on your interest, then the place where you want to settle. Like if you want to settle in metros, better do a super specialty branch. If you want to do, it's okay even in towns, then specialty branch is also okay. So there are some advantages in clinical branches, some advantages in non-clinical branches. So take a white paper, make a chart of all the advantages and disadvantages. Definitely you will get the answer. I hope this video is helpful to you. Bye bye.